Hey everybody, it's Jay at LockNLube, and today we are talking about the original LockNLube Grease Coupler. Over 10 years ago, we introduced this product as the first locking grease coupler on the market. What that means is that people everywhere finally had an option to replace that standard leaky coupler that comes with the grease gun that's hard to get on the Zerk, even harder to get off the Zerk, and breaks grease fittings in the process. This design solves all those problems. What we've done is introduce a rebuildable product with a universal connection that is activated by a thumb lever. That means to get onto the grease fitting, you simply push down the thumb lever to expose the jaws and push it onto the fitting. While it's on there, it's not gonna leak, it's not gonna pop off. You don't have to hold it in place, so you have both your hands free to operate the grease gun. When you're ready to remove the coupler, push down on the thumb lever and it comes right back. You don't have to crack it off to the side or fight with it or worry about breaking grease fittings. Now, in addition to being easier and cleaner and faster to use, we have also made this product rebuildable. So all of the internals, the seal, and the 4 hardened steel jaws can be replaced if they ever need to be. On top of that, we include a set of free spare parts along with every grease coupler we sell. So that makes this product not only the most durable and longest lasting grease coupler on the market, it also gives it the lowest lifetime cost of ownership, because if after hundreds of tubes of grease there is some wear on the face of that seal, you can drop a new one in and it works as good as new. In addition to our original locking grease coupler, we also offer the grease coupler in an XL version. Just like our standard coupler, this has an 1/8" pipe thread connection that's universal across all grease guns. The seal kit, the rebuild kit for the coupler, is identical, so can be used across either model. The only difference is that the XL version is 2 inches longer. So for hard to reach grease fittings, like you might find on a shielded PTO or a universal joint, you may find that the longer barrel is especially handy. Now, I mentioned the universal threads. On the back here, if you've never used one before, this is 1/8" pipe thread. To install this on any grease gun, all you have to do is take some crescent wrenches, take the grease coupler that's on your gun off, and screw this one on the end of the hose. And that's it. You're ready to go and experience the LockNLube Grease Coupler. Thank you for watching. For more information, check out LockNLube.com or search for LockNLube on YouTube.